Heartily welcome, my affectionate children. In this video, we will learn about the determiners, but only two parts here. If you want to watch determiners, rest of the video about to full all the types of determiners, you should go to the playlist, watch in the grammar part. If you want to watch writing section videos, you should just go to the playlist of writing section. And if you want to watch a chapter related videos, then select the class 7th, 6th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever is the class there, then you can watch your desirous video there, right? And if you want to know my next of the or the coming videos there, please subscribe the channel so that you will come to know about all coming videos there, right? So first I would like to tell you there that I already taught you what is determiner there. It's a definition, it's example, it's rule, everything I taught you in the prior video. Now I will just differentiate these two things on the request of some child. So what is this? Cardinal or numeral? Cardinal or numeral means the same meaning here. No differences between cardinal or numeral. Means they are having two names but the role is the same. Next is your ordinal number. So we are going to differentiate between both of the terms there. Let's come to the video. The very first learn here, there are two kinds of numbers. Two kinds of numbers are there in English. First is a cardinal number, second is the ordinal number. First is cardinal number, second is ordinal number, right? Next, we use these numbers in a different ways. Like we have to use this one cardinal number for the quantity of something. Means we are just measuring the quantity of something here. Like this is of 1 ton, 3 ton, 5 kg, 10 kg, 55. So what is this? Just learn with the help of the example here. Example is like I have $1. One. This one, what is this? This is your cardinal number. This is your cardinal number. Next, like she has 3 brothers. So this 3 number is your cardinal number. Like this, you will use this counting in the sentences, that is known as your cardinal number. Next is given, they have 50 days to decide. They have 50 days to decide. So 50 is given here. This is also again counting, and whenever the counting will come, in that case your number will be cardinal number. A week has 7 days. 7 days. 7. So 7 is your numbering once again. Whenever numbering is coming here, that is known as your cardinal number, right? And next is given here ordinal number. What is ordinal number? Ordinal number means whenever you are using st or nd or rd or th just after the counting, like one first. What is this? This is called now first. This is not called one now. This is known as first. If I will call you it second, this is wrong. This is a second, and is used with this one, right? If I will use call it a third, that is wrong. If I'll call it three, that is wrong. If I'll call it a third, this is right. If I will call it four, that is wrong. But if I'm calling it fourth, this is right. So whenever the th, whenever rd means third, whenever nd means second, and whenever st will use with the first, or rest of the numbers also, like 21st, 25, or 78, 79. So like these things are using in that case, means th, st, nd or rd you are using after this number, that is known as your ordinal number. Let's learn it with the help of example there. Like there is given first. So what are you watching there? First means here this person or this female or this boy is having first position. This one is on the second position. She got third position. So what is this? These all sentences which I'm pronouncing, these are known as your ordinal number. But I'm using ordinal number in my sentences. Like this man got first position. So this is ordinal number. This man go to second position. So second is here. What is this? Second is the ordinal number. This girl is on the third position. Third. So what is this? Third is the ordinal number. And after that, one other female go to fourth position. So like this sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th word we are using in the sentences, these are known as our ordinal numbers. Now come to know with the help of examples there. It is August 23rd. RD we are using here. We are not using only 23. If you use it is August 23. So that is your numeral. That is your cardinal number. But now we are using here, this is August 23rd, and this is the right way to use this one. So 23rd, this RD word we are using, this is our our ordinal number, right? Next is my birthday is on Jan 29th. TH word we are using here. Same is there. You will go second position again given. Then also next is here. He will present his idea third again used here. You will present your idea fourth, again th is here. So what are we using? Ordinal numbers we are using here. I'm first is again what is ordinal number in line, and he is fifth in line, so fifth also their ordinal number. This is the 20th, their 20th wedding anniversary, so 20th th word is again used here, so this is again your ordinal number. This is the boy's 17th or 7th birthday. Okay, so 7th is coming here. Next, this is the third time that I have seen this movie. So what is this third time? So third is used here, ordinal number. This is my first time. It's not, I'm not calling this is my one time. This is my first time. So first, third, seventh, ninth, like this we are using, that is our ordinal number, right? And the next again I will just tell you with the help of example once again. Numerals or ordinal, numeral or cardinal, sorry, numeral or cardinal are the same number. You can see here numerals are the cardinal number, so no differences between numeral and cardinal number, all are same here. Used for continuous such as like 1 2 30 40 25 27. So what are these? These are your numerals or cardinal numbers. And numerals often use here like this. Just take the example, one child ate a dozen cookies. So what is it? Dozen. Dozen is here, means dozen is again in the counting, like dozen means 12. So what is it there? 12. 12 is again they're counting, so counting once again will come to know in the numeral. Next is like the 7 books. 7, what is 7? 7 is a number like 1 2 3 4 5 7. So 7 is your numbering, 1 is again the numbering, this one again numbering, 100 again numbering. We are not using hundredth. If we will use here hundredth, then it will be ordinal number. Okay, we are using here 100, we are using here 1, we are not using here first, so we are using here one, and one is here numerals, otherwise this will call here cardinal number. So I told you with the help of examples what is the difference between cardinal, numerals or ordinal number. I hope everybody would understand this one. If you want to watch rest of the videos related to grammar, writing section or literature, you should subscribe the channel and go to the playlist, select your desired playlist, and after that you will be able to watch the videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a marvelous day everybody.